now I can sell barbecue chicken. Barbecue for sale! Barbecue for sale! Barbecue for sale! Hi! What do you want to order?
One barbecue chicken, please.
Okay, coming right up. Here's your chicken.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your food.
I have no customers. Huh?
Wow, the chicken's so good.
Yeah, it's so yummy.
Danny's store is the best.
Wow, Jenny's store has lots of customers. Ah! I wonder how she makes good chicken.
Oh no, my barbecue is broken.
Ah! Hey, Jenny!
Huh? Yes, Uncle George?
Let me check your barbecue. Maybe I can fix it.
Really? Thank you.
You're welcome. All done, Jenny. Check it.
Okay. Wow, it looks like it's working. Thank you, Uncle George.
You're welcome. But can I ask you one thing?
Sure, what is it?
Can you teach me how to cook good chicken?
Sorry, that's my secret recipe. I can't show you.
Aww. Aww. She didn't want to teach me. Ah! Jenny!
Huh?
Can you make me 10 chicken, please?
Sure.
I will try it and figure out the ingredients.
All of the chicken you ordered.
Thank you. Here's your money.
Thank you.
I'll try it out and figure out how she makes it.
Wow, looks like I made a lot of money today, but I have no more chicken to sell. Ah, I can buy some chicken to sell.
Some tomato,
Huh? It's not working?
mustard.
Oh, wow.
Huh?
My food truck is broken.
Huh? The food truck is broken? Hey, Jenny, do you need help?
Yes, please, Uncle George.
Okay, let me check. It's done, Jenny. I just repaired your wheels.
Really?
Yeah, check it.
Okay. Wow! It works, Uncle George. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, Jenny, you don't need to go buy chicken. I have some. Do you want?
Sure, Uncle George. Thank you.
You're welcome. Last one, Jenny.
Thank you. Wow, I can sell chicken again.
I'm so sad. No customers.
Uncle George is so sad. He always helps me. Ah, Uncle George, Uncle George!
Yes, Jenny.
I can show you how to bake chicken and sell together. Do you want it?
Really? That's amazing, Jenny. Let's do it.
First, you take the chicken and put it on a small or on, then you let it heat it up.
Okay, I see.
Jeez, mixing sauces makes a big difference, huh?
And that's how you make chicken.
Oh, okay. I got it. Thank you for teaching me, Jenny.
It's okay, Uncle George. Sorry, I was selfish earlier.
No, Jenny. Thank you. You're really nice. Let's sell together.